PropsOff is at National Museum, United States Air Force. We're in Dayton, Ohio for some whoop racing inside the museum. I tried to pack as much as I could into a single video for you. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for checking out my channel. Alright, we're almost there. See them big buildings there. There's the museum. Get off at our exit here, and there's a pretty wild looking.
That's alright.
Alright.
Yep. Just bust right here on Bong Street. Bong.
Waving all over the place. This road is terrible. It's full of potholes and I don't know what. Guy behind me is anxious. There it is. We're here. Just about there, a little over an hour drive. Check them bad boys out.
No UAVs.
No UAVs allowed. Wait a minute, back up. Gotta get a clip of that. See that sign? That's what makes this event special. See that says no drone zone? Should be fun. What do you think?
Lucky, lucky.
Yeah, there it is.
We're gonna fly around planes.
We're gonna fly around that airplane right there.
Mm-hmm.
There's the course, up and over, inside the museum.
Yeah.
There it is right there. Shall be fun. Let's get in there, it's freezing. All right, we're inside of the atrium. And then we gotta go to number 2. So you're not allowed to bring any food or drink in here, but they'll sell you food and drink after you get in. So I had to walk back out to the car. But yeah, you can buy all kinds of stuff till you're broke. We gotta run down this corridor, but we can check this out first. My wife and I.
How you guys doing?
Good, how you doing?
Good.
We're here for some whoop racing.
Oh, okay.
And looking at cars, I guess.
Look at that, man.
Yeah, good grief, what's going on in there? Who cares what's going on in there? Check out what's going on in here. Yep. Before drone racing, I was really into cars and drag racing. Don't have enough time for that anymore. Yeah, man. This place is pretty cool. Got a corridor of history here. What do you think, man? Pretty wild?
Awesome.
Alright, there we are. It's like yeah, man, look at that, huh? Hot dog FPV.
Alright, I've got 4 new videos. That was a quick switch here. Good.
Looks like I got quite a turnout. Looks like we got the course set up over here. Got some LED gates. Gonna be flying up and over and around this old warbird.
Okay. Margaret, the line on the toe. One of the new fast pilots in this heat. T-Dub's one to watch here today. Nurk is definitely one to watch. Former DRL World Champion. Flying these little tiny toys here today.
It's like the spectator chairs are a little light right now, but they're just getting set up. We got here early for practice. Racing, the actual race starts here in a little bit.
But once it happens, it's much easier to understand. So again, we're gonna rearrange our heats slightly so that way we can make the hydro betting app a little more fair, if you want to call it. And we will be back to racing here in about 10 minutes or so. In the meantime, we want to thank all of our sponsors that we have for our race. A lot of people done some great communication to get sponsors interested in this event, and the hype that was built around it has been absolutely insane. I'm completely impressed by the amount of people that are in here watching what we do on a weekend basis. So thanks again to our sponsors,
An enormous amount of exposure to this hobby. Absolutely amazing.
Providing those antennas that all of us Root Brothers love. Team Black Sheep, Serious Toys, Tiny Wood, my main man Jesse Perkins providing everybody with.
Yep, absolutely amazing how many people that's never seen FPV or drone racing is now looking at this. I've just answered question after question. It's so much fun for me.
My camera's gone. Oh, okay. Check it out, man.
And finally, last but certainly not least, our best, biggest platinum sponsor, Newbie Drone out of California, doing it big for us today. So thank you very much for all of our
Pretty
sponsors.
cool that the museum put a spectator area in here so you could see all the pilot feed. And then just random people walking around checking out the museum can sit down, relax, watch the video.
That's 2 for him. 2 wins in a row for Sidewinder.
Kelly, you're something else, man. One of a kind, brother.
That's a bigger drone.
Yeah, so let's talk about flight tests. We got a little break here, and Matt has to do some battery swapping and potentially channel changing.
Hey, you start getting the shakes, man.
Yeah, at that level, it's still.
And also a large community. And what they do is pride themselves on the first.
How was it? How was it?
Not good.
Hey,
Buckeye is out of the race now.
Buckeye FPV's out of the race altogether? That's a bummer.
But we tried.
Eddie from Buddy RC.
Only 3 of us came, so I feel pretty proud of what we did and where we made it to.
All right. Well, it's a heck of a day here, that's for sure. All Oh no.
There is no restart for this type of action, so hopefully Brace can put one down and move himself back up into a decent position. I know he is there they go. Busy, Nerf, Aviator, Drew Racer, all through that start finish game. Who's going to take home the win on this one? That will move them into B main and could potentially set somebody up for a win in A main. Looks like Aviator having a little bit of trouble, and our current leader is Nerf. Busy shortly behind him. Busy's video feed looks fantastic. Busy taking that wide line into the back section of the C-124 while Nerf takes a nice tight line, and they are both about the same. Looks like Busy's just playing a game of chase with Nerf right now. We'll see who comes through third. I'm not 100% sure because I was paying attention to 1 and 2. It looks like Nerf first, then Busy, then Drew Racer. Oh no, Aviator going down and upside down. Drew Racer with third place. Aviator getting flipped back over. Nerf making his way through the bottom of the ladder, and Pizzy is just shortly behind him. Neither of those guys have taken the Joker lap, I don't believe, to this point. Nerf making his way underneath the landing gear and up into the back of the C-124. Aviator going down and upside down again. Drew Racer making his way over top of the F-82. It is shortly behind somebody.
Hey, what do you think? That's pretty fast.
Nerf making his way around and coming through that home stretch into the start finish game. There is 2 for Nerf. Pizzy is only a couple of gates behind him. What do we have? 2 seconds? Split maybe 2.341 seconds. Aviator working his way around as well. Nerf on lap number 3. Pizzy on lap number 3. Yeah, here we go. Looks like Pizzy is your current leader.
20 seconds
in
left.
front of Nerf. How is this happening? I don't know, but I'll tell you what, Pizzy is stepping up his game right here. The only pilot I would imagine out here flying in acro mode. Pizzy making his way around lap number 3. Can Nerf catch up? Nerf is actually in the lead. I apologize for that. I got Pizzy all bumped up in first, and Nerf is actually in the lead. Nerf number 1, Pizzy number 2, Drew Racer number 3. All 3 of those cars making their way through. Looks like Aviator's the only one to only get 2 laps. That's the end of it. Finish your laps, guys. It is still a battle for the first position. Pizzy making his way down and through there. It is going to be Nerf at this point. It looks like making his way around the 270 and around home stretch. Nerf, boom, your leader and winner.
Yeah, that was something. Gotta get a 360-degree picture.
All right, everybody, hey!
That's funny.
Do our own like two minute 360.
I think so.
That'll be way more exciting.
Nick Goodman, 6-pack. Won yourself
A lot of prizes being handed out right now. All right, one of the pilots here just won a brand new quad.
Newbie drone.
A newbie drone.
The newest one that's come out.
Yeah, that thing's wicked cool. Did you just put that antenna on there? Oh yeah.
Shit, I guess I gotta build another quad.
Yeah, he just won that. That's sick. It can come with batteries?
No battery.
Yeah, man. Yeah, a lot of really cool gifts.
Look at that, Scott.
Trying to get that. What'd you win?
I won a Beta 3D flight controller for a brushless loop and batteries.
Let me see. Oh, you won all those just now?
Yeah, I just won that right now in the raffle.
Yeah.
What kind of book do you have? Oh, that's
The PS2, the
That's
ones that I
flight
like.
controller?
Yeah, that's the one I have it on.
Yep.
Yeah, man. How cool is that?
Showing everybody else. It's good that everybody else sees it.
Yeah, man.
3DX in the camera?
This is doesn't have.
Yeah, there's a
yeah.
lot of cool gear.
This is just a board.
What a crowd.
The same one that I put in my quad.
National Museum, Dayton, Ohio, USA. You got Blue Jay. whoop racer. Showing some people little tricks of the trade. And that's what it's all about. Showing people that's never seen FPV, never experienced it. They're experiencing it now.
There's also one of these upper crowds for a simulator. Okay. Iceberg here is our showman for the...
What a crowd. What a turnout.
A hovercraft and a drone. All in one. There's one of these upper crowds. If you haven't played the sim over there, make sure you go over and sign up. Blue Jay!
Yeah. Pretty amazing how many people get exposed to the hobby right now. It's like Blue Jay won something. It looks like we got another winner here.
Wow,
What'd you win?
Duelist 7 HD.
Mobulus 7 HD. Just won that. Nice. How cool is that? They still giving away stuff?
They've got so much to give away, it's ridiculous. People just
It's awesome.
companies just kept donating more and more stuff for the giveaways.
Blue Jay! Yay! Woo!
All right, guys. Praise FPV. Great. Very good.
Good.
Glad you showed up. Let's do it.
Second place winner here.
Nice job. Weird outreach there. Take home the big check. My man, Johnny Fly, taking home the big check for the day.
Woo!
He showed lucky rollers all the way. Good. My man, Johnny Fly. Once again, these are all my close friends. I race with these guys all the time. They have taken a liking to my announcing. I get invited to do announcements. I want you to take with me, but I get a handshake without the check. I love it.
Want to give a big shout out to all the sponsors for this event. If you can be a sponsor for this event next time, you need to be on this sign. We're at the after party. Got some whooping in the bar. Yeah, I had a lot of fun. This is quite an event. Kind of filled the place up. So yeah, if you ever get a chance to come to Dayton, Ohio for the National Museum Whoop Race, I think it's well worth the drive and whatever it takes to get here to do it. So I hope this video did a good job. And I really appreciate your time checking out my channel. So if you liked the video, hey, thumbs up and subscribe. If you hated it, give me a thumbs down. It all works. Have a good one.